It finally happened. After 1 year of ownership and 14 years on the road, this 2006 Pontiac Vibe broke its first door handle. Still opens. So let's get it fixed. We have our various tools. I have a Phillips head screwdriver right here. There's a screw inside of this pocket. And we have a screw right inside here. So you take your plastic pry tool, flip that little tab over, just like that. And unscrew that too. Next thing, you can take your metal pry tool or your plastic pry tool, go behind the door, pop the door panel. Once you get enough room in there to grab it with your hands, you can just pull it with your hands. What this is going to do, it's going to lift up out of the window area. It might actually be easier to do it with the window down. And since the window up and down switch is still plugged in, we can just unplug that. And that just has a release tab right here. You push in with your thumb and pull it out. Next, you need to unplug the lock. Tear back this disgusting plastic tar on it with the adhesive, the waterproof adhesive. Just for reference, all of these are T30. With the exception of this 10 mil. Alright, once you wiggle the back side of the handle free, and let's take off this. There's a plastic tab in there that holds these in. Those three are out. Just slip it out of right here. Drop it down. Until we can see the screw that we need right in here. And there's the piece that we took off there. And then the handle, looks like it came with this rubber gasket. We're going to put that back on. Alright, let's grab the new handle, put that in. Alright, now that we have the door handle back on, let's get some screws in there. Back to where it's supposed to be. There we go. That works. For the window motor, that's plugged in. Then slide this up onto here, like that. Make sure it's seated correctly. And then all these little tabs get pushed in. Alright, that screws back in. push that little tab in, and we're all finished. And the door opens and closes.